Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify logo clarity on Shopify product images, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify logo clarity on Shopify product images, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to your products section from the sidebar menu. Select a specific product to view its details. Scroll down to the images section of the product page. Click on the product image that contains your logo. Open the image in full size for a clearer view. Zoom in on the logo to assess its clarity. Check for any pixelation or blurriness in the logo. Confirm that the logo maintains its color integrity when zoomed in. Ensure that the logo text, if any, is legible and sharp. If the logo appears unclear, consider uploading a higher resolution version. To do this, return to the product page and remove the existing image. Click on the Add Images button to upload the new logo file. Select the higher quality image from your device. Once uploaded, repeat the clarity check by zooming in again. Make adjustments as needed until you achieve the desired clarity. Finally, save your changes to ensure the new image is applied. Verify the clarity again on the live storefront to confirm everything looks perfect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.